Hello, I'm going to ask you 100 questions. Some questions might be rude, some might be strange. Please answer the questions however you want. Here we go. What's your name?
My name is Hesam,
Where are you from?
and I came from Iran.
What city were you born in?
Karaj, it takes about 2 hours to Tehran.
How old are you?
I am 28 years old.
What do you do?
Well, now I'm looking for a job.
What was your major in university?
I studied business administration.
What university did you go to?
I went to Korea University.
What is your dream job?
An anchor, I can say.
Are you married?
I am single.
Do you want to get married?
Why not? Sure, I love to get married.
Do you like kids?
A lot of kids.
How often do you get a haircut?
Once a month,
How
probably.
How often do you shave?
Every day.
What are your hobbies?
I love to go to cafe and read books and watch YouTube.
Where do you live?
I live in a district called Shilin.
In which country do you live?
I'm living in South Korea.
How did you get a visa for Korea?
I came with student visa and now I have job-seeking visa.
Is it hard to find work in Korea?
Well, it depends on your major and the needs of the society.
How much money can you make in Korea?
Probably $2,300 monthly, probably.
How much do you spend a month to live on?
I can say about $600.
Are you a frugal person?
Yes, I am.
Is life difficult for you in Korea?
It is not. It's enjoyable.
Are Koreans friendly to you?
They are. They are so friendly to foreigners.
How often do you call your mom?
Every day.
Do you send your parents money every month?
No, I cannot.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one older brother.
Do you have any family in Korea?
No, unfortunately, I don't have.
When do you plan to return to Iran?
As soon as possible.
Do you miss Iran?
A lot. I miss Iran a lot.
Would you like to move to another country?
Probably. It depends on the situation.
Are there many Iranians in Korea?
I don't think if there would be a lot of Iranian living in here.
Do you have many Korean friends?
A few Korean friends.
Are we friends?
Can you... Pardon, Robin? I didn't get it.
Are we friends?
With you mean?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Do you think Korea is a good country to live?
It is a good country to live, absolutely.
What languages can you speak?
I can speak Persian and English, Korean, a little bit of Arabic, and a little bit of Japanese.
Are you fluent in Korean?
Well, not that fluent, but, well, I can say I'm doing pretty fine.
How did you learn English?
I went to English Institute when I was 9 years old, I can say. Yeah.
How long did it take you to learn English?
I'm still learning.
What countries have you traveled to?
I've traveled to Indonesia and Qatar.
Are you addicted to anything?
I'm addicted to walking. I walk every single day.
Who do you admire the most?
My parents and my older brother.
Are you an easygoing person?
Yes.
What are you doing now?
I'm doing nothing.
What are you going to do tonight?
Probably just reading some books at home.
What did you do last night?
Well, I cannot say I had a meeting. I met a friend.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
And tomorrow, I'm going to cafe and reading some books.
Are you a clean or messy person?
I am very clean.
Are you in debt?
No,
Do you have a good sense of humor?
a lot of sense of humor.
What sports do you play?
I do taekwondo.
How long have you been doing taekwondo?
Since I was 5 years old.
Have you taught taekwondo?
Yes, I did in Korea.
How has learning taekwondo changed your life?
It gave me a lot of discipline.
Have you ever been in a real fight?
No, never.
What's your nickname?
I don't have any nickname.
What's your favorite season?
I love all seasons.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Unfortunately, I cannot, but I really love to do.
What time do you usually wake up?
5:40 a.m.
What time do you usually go to bed?
11.
How do you relieve your stress?
Well, I walk on a daily basis.
What is your proudest accomplishment?
I can say graduating from Korea University.
Do you have any other accomplishment?
I can say sport accomplishments in Taekwondo.
Have you ever stayed in the hospital?
Yes, I did. Yeah.
What was the reason you stayed in the hospital?
Well, I had surgery on my knee.
Are you healthy now?
I am healthy now, yes.
What subjects were you good at in high school?
In high school, well, history, geography, and literature.
Is it okay for men to cry?
Absolutely.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
A coffee.
How often do you eat fast food?
Oh, 2 times a week.
What's your favorite food?
I love all foods, all sort of foods.
What food do you cook well?
I can say pasta.
Are you a vegetarian?
I am not a vegetarian.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
Iran.
How often do you drink coffee?
Every day and a lot of coffee.
Do you like flowers?
I love flowers.
Do you have any phobias?
I don't have any phobias.
What makes you angry?
Nothing.
What kind of movies do you like?
I love romantic movies and comedy.
Are you happy?
I am very happy.
Do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I love taking pictures.
What was your first job?
My first job? Teaching Taekwondo.
Can you swim?
I can swim, but I'm not professional.
Who knows you best?
My family?
Do you collect anything?
No, I don't collect anything.
What is your favorite color?
I love all colors.
Do you have many regrets?
No regrets at all.
What's the best thing about living in Korea?
Knowing people from different nationalities.
What's the worst thing about living in Korea?
Being far from home.
Do you want to marry a Korean woman?
It doesn't matter. I never thought about nationality.
What kind of woman do you like?
I like a very kind woman.
What makes a happy marriage?
Mutual respect.
Do you get bored easily?
No, I'm a patient person.
Do you have a driver's license?
Unfortunately, I don't have.
Are you an optimist or a pessimist?
I am very optimistic about future, and I'm an optimist.
Could you lend me $100?
Of course.
Is it possible for people watching this video to contact you?
Yes, indeed. I would be very, very happy.
What's your Instagram username?
Hesam Rezai __.
Is life beautiful?
Life is very beautiful.
What makes you interesting?
What makes me interesting? I smile all the time.
What's the best way to study English?
Reading the books that you really love to read.
Okay, thank you very much for sharing your answers.
Thank you very much for inviting me.